Humanity witnessed thousands of diseases over the years. Cures for some, but a few devastated the world. Countless suffering and pain for the patients and families, even losing their loved ones at times. Today, our society demands more advancements in the medical sciences, a futuristic technology of bloodless surgery and ultimate method of healing the body from the root cause. And that's where Geostar steps in, safeguarding the future health with the power of regenerative medicine.
If your aim is to work for the society, if your aim is to work for the betterment of the people, if you want to give life to the people, you have to burn like a sun.
Global Institute of Stem Cell Therapy and Research, known as Geostar, based in San Diego, California, was established to provide stem cell-based treatments to the people suffering from degenerative or genetic diseases around the world. Modern medicine can manage certain diseases and buy time for the body to heal, but still incapable of addressing the root cause, resulting in 35 million deaths every year. Geostar chairman Dr. Anand Srivastava envisioned finding cures for metabolic and genetic diseases with the regenerative capabilities of stem cell science, unlocking new dimensions of medical science. In the early 2000s, he pioneered the revolutionary science of stem cells at the multiple leading universities across California, USA. During 2004 California election, Arnold Schwarzenegger supported the use of stem cells for medical treatment as one of his main election agenda items. Credit goes to a handful of people, like USA's First Lady Nancy Reagan, the authority in the field of stem cell science and chairman of Geostar, Dr. Anand Srivastava, Michael J. Fox, Christopher Reeve, and a few researchers who fought against the entire establishment to make this unexplored yet powerful medical science to see the daylight. Arnold successfully won the election, and the people of California approved $3 billion in funding the largest government stem cell research department called CIRM. In 2004, first time to the world, Dr. Srivastava showed that stem cells hold the power to repair and even regenerate nerve cells, and may cure neurological disorders such as Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, strokes, as well as autoimmune diseases like Crohn's, and many others. Dr. Anand studied that globally 100 million units of blood are collected annually, and there's still a shortage of 80 to 90 million units every year. During 2003 to 2006, Dr. Anand successfully published his findings in creating matured red blood cells from the stem cells. This technology has a $100 billion a year market. Dr. Anand Srivastava and Mr. Devin Patel, co-founders of Geostar, along with a team of medical geniuses, pioneered the stem cell revolution around the world. In 2007, Dr. Anand and the team of scientists worked at the Reeves Irvine Center, which opened the door for the world's first clinical trial approved by the US FDA to treat spinal cord injuries in humans using embryonic stem cells. In 2011, Geostar established the world's first dedicated stem cell hospital in Ahmedabad, India, inaugurated by now Prime Minister of India, Mr. Modi, and spiritual leader Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. The world's largest stem cell treatment hospital is being developed in Surat, India, as a part of Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's dream project. Geostar already has multiple stem cell facilities up and running in the USA, Mexico, India, and few more in Japan, UAE, Sweden, Thailand, Philippines, Bahamas, and Costa Rica in the very near future. Geostar is also developing the world's first stem cell university in India. Recently, Dr. Anand Srivastava was honored by the Society of Asian American Scientists in Cancer Research for significant contributions in cancer research. The US and multiple governments around the world have honored Dr. Srivastava for his immense contribution in the field of stem cell science. In 2020, at the Namaste Trump event in India, Geostar President and CEO Mr. Devin Patel was an invited delegate of the U.S. Department of State.
Global Institute of Stem Cell Therapy and Research also known as GIOSTAR, it's based in La Jolla, has been approved by the FDA to treat patients in New York on a compassionate use basis.
With its proprietary stem cell technology,
Its discovery may have saved the life of a COVID patient on death's doorstep. GeoStar interviewed the patient's family, keeping identities confidential due to privacy laws.
Basically, we had no hopes for him, but it turned around.
GeoStar's COVID dedicated company, addressing a $1.4 trillion post-COVID treatment market, is listing soon on the London Stock Exchange with several $1 billion pre-IPO valuation. GeoStar is also spinning out a few more public companies with its universal red blood technology, cancer vaccine technology, and advanced stem cell-based skincare line. GeoStar co-founders Dr. Anand Srivastava and Mr. Devin Patel is bringing their vision into reality by taking this groundbreaking, evidence-based medicine and technologies to the suffering masses around the world. Dr. Srivastava's work was appreciated by Nobel Prize winner Mr. Harry Markowitz at Nobel Prize Genius Circle.
Many people, especially ignorant people, want to punish you for speaking the truth, for being correct, for being you. Never apologize for being correct or for being years ahead at your time. If you're right and you know it, speak your mind. Even if you are a minority of one, truth is still truth.
Our world needs someone who truly wants to serve humanity with revolutionary medical science, and that's what GeoStar is all about.
If you are working selflessly for the people, that needs a lot of courage.
GeoStar, the cure begins here.